Hello strangers, it's been a minute. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who have stuck around during my 1-month hiatus, welcome back. Okay, so today I have my February Boxycharm unboxing. I just got home from work, that's why I look like a poodle. And I'm going to do a little unboxing. I haven't seen any sneak previews, and I'm excited to open this box. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription service that sends you goodies to your house every single month for a fee. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm after watching this unboxing, just click the link, it's in the description bar. It is an affiliate link, which means if you sign up using my link, I get a little bit of portion of that, a little portion of that. If that makes you feel uncomfortable, you don't like that, that's okay. You just go right to Boxycharm directly and sign up. No harm, no foul. But if you want to support your girl, click that link. So let me just get into the box because I don't know, I haven't seen any previews and I want to see what's in this box. All right, I opened the box and it opened and I saw something and I'm like excited. All right, so the month is Galaxy Glow. It looks like we got some good stuff in here. I'm gonna show you exactly what's in this box. Right now I see brushes. Okay, so looks like we got some crown brushes. Crown and Boxycharm, Crown and Boxycharm seem to work together a lot. So they sent over 3 brushes. This is the brush trio. This is an MSRP of $29.99. And this is for contouring your face to perfection. To perfection. Alright, so that looks cool. These are nice, pretty brushes. I love my crown brushes. I have some over here. A brush that I got from Boxycharm previously. I love this brush. You can see it's dirty. I think they have really high quality products and they're always really soft and pretty. So here you go. 3 brushes for your user enjoyment. Okay, so the next product I see here is something from Coverfx. It's called Shimmer Veil. This is worth $28. This multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof, enough for the boldest eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. Okay, so I love this little box, like what this box looks like. Like, look at my hair. Okay, let's not even talk about my hair. I got it cut recently, colored. Just looks crazy today though. Oh, this is really beautiful. All right, so this is this beautiful, looks like just like a pink with a purple shift to it. Let's put this on my hand. It's really pretty. All right, can you guys see that? It's really nice. I love that. That's so pretty. Huh. It's got like a moussey formula. It's got no smell. It's just like a pink with a purpley blue shift. So that's pretty. I like that. It reminds me of one of my first favorite eyeshadows ever. So again, how much was that? $28. Okay. So the next product in here, I see this little chubber stick. This looks like it's from Pure, the Complexion Authority. It's x-faux lips plumping lip exfoliator. Okay, so let's check you out. Oh, it's one of these where you just you do one of these little puppies. You exfoliate your lips. I like that. All right, you know, let's exfoliate our lips. Let's do that. Yeah. It smells like something, like coconut. Ooh, it tastes really good. I hope there's not sugar on here because honestly, I would be very upset if there was sugar in here because, you know, diet life. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, I don't see any sugar in here, so I'm not upset about it. Okay, and that is worth $17. Okay, so this next product is the blush in Winter Rose Glow, and this is to use in a loose palette. This blush looks beautiful. Oh, it's really, really pretty. This is worth, from Ofra Cosmetics, $19. So let's check out this blush. It looks like a nice, pretty nude, like really suitable for nude looks. It's really pretty. Okay, Boxycharm. You're doing it right. You're doing me right. I'm happy about this right now. What is this? Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I was wrong. This brush, the blush is a Got It refill. It's for $12. And then the palette is the pop-up palette mini. Sam, you're such an idiot. So this comes with this, and they open this way. And then you put the blush in there. I don't know why I was having such a hard time. And I believe the way this works is you fold it, it stands on its own like that. So you can put your palette next to you and it just kind of stands up, and then, you know, it doesn't have to lay flat, you know, it's cool. It's awesome. Alright, okay, so that is 19 for the palette and 12 for the blush. Okay, so the final thing in here is from Vintage Cosmetics. Is a Smokey eye pencil worth $21. So let's see, it looks like a nice black. Ooh, it's definitely a kohl pencil. Holy mackerel, that is creamy. Wow, super pigmented. Alright, I can't wait to try this. This is some Jet Black by Vintage, by Jessica Libeskind. Lebeskind? I don't know. Okay guys, that was my February Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Everything looks really great. This seems to be a great month. Boxycharm, of course, sending us goodies that we love and can't wait to try out. So, good job Boxycharm. You get a thumbs up from me. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for sticking by me. I'm sorry about my long absence, but things have gotten real lately, so I apologize for that. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos. Excuse my bra strap that keeps popping out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.